A very good morning, everyone. I welcome you all for the first session of a chemistry. So today in this session, we discuss about the chemistry part of our syllabus. There are totally only two chapters of a chemistry for your first semester examination. The weightage of a chemistry part of our syllabus is 40 marks. Sorry, 20 marks. तो आज के सेशन में हम अपना एक नया पार्ट स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं, उसका नाम रहेगा केमिस्ट्री। तो आपके सिलेबस के लिए ओनली दो ही चैप्टर केमिस्ट्री से रहेंगे। दो चैप्टर का जो वेटेज रहेगा वो रहेगा 20 मार्क्स। अंडरस्टैंड? 20 मार्क्स theory and 5 marks practical. So before starting chemistry part of our chapter, first introduction to our chemistry. Now see, so what is chemistry? तो chemistry क्या ध्यान में रखिए? A science that deals with the study of a composition of a structure and properties of a substance and with the transformation that they undergo. So chemistry is a branch of a science that deals with the study of a different kind of substances, their properties and their chemical reactions and the different kinds of the compounds. एक साइंस की ब्रांच है। इस ब्रांच में क्या हो तो अलग अलग प्रकार के क्या है सब्सटेंस के बारे में क्या है स्टडी किया जाता है, केमिकल रिलेशंस के बारे में क्या है स्टडी की जाती है। So there are totally two chapters of chemistry for first semester examination. One is a measurement of matter. First chapter of chemistry is measurement of matter, and next one is acid, base and salt. Acids, bases and salts. So only two chapters of chemistry for your first semester examination, and the weightage of the chapter is 20 marks. So first measurement of matter is 10 marks and acid, bases and salt is 10 marks. So 20 marks theory plus 5 marks practical. Understand? The weightage of chemistry for first semester is 20 marks theory and 5 marks practical. तो आपका जो फर्स्ट पार्ट रहेगा पेपर फर्स्ट पार्ट, नाउ सी पार्ट फर्स्ट, totally 40 marks, having the 40 marks theory and 10 marks practical. So in first part physics 25 marks and chemistry 25 marks. तो इसमें आपका क्या रहेगा, फिजिक्स आपको रहेगा 20 मार्क्स के लिए, केमिस्ट्री आपको रहेगा 20 मार्क्स के लिए, फिजिक्स का प्रैक्टिकल रहेगा 5 मार्क के लिए और केमिस्ट्री का रहेगा 5 मार्क के लिए। तो कुल मिला के जो फर्स्ट पार्ट अपना रहेगा वो क्या है 50 मार्क्स का रहेगा। अंडरस्टैंड? तो ओनली टू चैप्टर्स ऑफ केमिस्ट्री फॉर योर फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर एग्जामिनेशन। तो फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर एग्जामिनेशन के लिए केमिस्ट्री के हमें क्या हो तो दो ही चैप्टर रहेंगे, उनका जो वेटेज रहेगा, फर्स्ट चैप्टर मेजरमेंट ऑफ मैटर वो रहेगा 10 मार्क के लिए, नेक्स्ट वन चैप्टर एसिड्स, बेसिस एंड द साल्ट वो रहेगा 10 मार्क के लिए। अंडरस्टैंड? सो 10 plus 10 25 marks practical. Understand? Now see, so first what is chemistry? तो केमिस्ट्री क्या है ये हमें जान लेना है। So chemistry the branch of a science that deals with the study of a composition, structure and the properties of a substance. तो इसमें किसके बारे में डिस्कशन किया जाता है? Study about the properties, composition and the structure of a different kind of substances. तो जो अलग अलग प्रकार के सब्सटेंसेस रहते हैं उनके बारे में इस ब्रांच में क्या हो तो स्टडी की जाती है। Now see, a science, what is chemistry? What is chemistry? Now see, a science that deals with the composition structure and properties properties of substance and with the transformation that they undergo. Listen. So chemistry is a branch of a science that deals with the study of a structure, composition, and the properties of a substance and with the transformation that they undergo. Listen. So now see, let's start our first chapter of chemistry. तो हम अपने केमिस्ट्री का फर्स्ट चैप्टर स्टार्ट करते हैं. द नेम ऑफ द चैप्टर इज मेजरमेंट ऑफ मैटर. तो हम अपने फर्स्ट चैप्टर को स्टार्ट करते हैं. द नेम ऑफ द चैप्टर इज मेजरमेंट ऑफ मैटर. द फर्स्ट वन चैप्टर of chemistry is the measurement of matter. Measurement of matter. Measurement of matter. So people starting chapter, what are the concept we covered from the chapter, and so which concept we will be discussed in the chapter. तो चैप्टर स्टार्ट करने से पहले हमें ये जानना बहुत जरूरी है इस चैप्टर में हम कौन से कंसेप्ट के बारे में क्या करना है, डिस्कशन कर लेना है. सो इन दिस चैप्टर वी लर्न अबाउट द फॉलोइंग कंसेप्ट. नाउ सी, सो इन दिस चैप्टर वी लर्न अबाउट द फॉलोइंग कंसेप्ट. फर्स्ट वन इज अ लॉज ऑफ केमिकल कॉम्बिनेशन. लॉज ऑफ केमिकल कॉम्बिनेशन. Laws of chemical combination. Next one, number 2, atom shape, mass, valency. So in atom we study about the shape, mass and valency. Mass and valency. Molecular mass and the concept of mole. Concept of mole. And number 4 is radicals. Number 4 is radicals. Understand? So in this chapter, we'll learn about this following concept. One is law of chemical combinations, atom shape, mass and the valency, molecular mass and the concept of a mole, and last one is radicals. So people starting the chapter, can you recall something? Listen. So chapter start करने से पहले हमें कुछ क्वेश्चंस को क्या करना है, recall करना है. Can you recall what is the Dalton's atomic theory? What is the Dalton's atomic theory? Can you recall? Can you recall? में हमें क्वेश्चन पूछा है. और see first, can you recall? Can you recall? में फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन हमें पूछा है, what is the Dalton's atomic theory? What is the Dalton's atomic theory? Now see, Dalton's proposed that the matter is made of very small particles. Now see, so Dalton ने प्रपोज किया है कि मैटर इज मेड ऑफ वेरी स्मॉल पार्टिकल्स. जो हमें मैटर बनते हैं किससे बनते हैं, तो एक स्मॉल पार्टिकल से क्या है वो बन जाते हैं. द स्मॉल पार्टिकल्स आर कॉल्ड एज द एटम्स. नाउ सी, So Dalton proposes that the matter is made of very small particles, and all these particles are called as the atoms. Understand? Now see, an atom is a hard and solid ball. Now see, so atom is a very hard, solid ball. Being the smallest unit of matter, it is indivisible. Now see, the smallest unit of matter is a indivisible. वो क्या बोलते हो? Divisible नहीं होते. Understand? So Dalton proposes that the matter is made of very small particles, and these small particles are called as the atoms. Atoms are the solid and the very hard ball, and all the atoms are the indivisible. According to डॉल्टन्स के अनुसार जो एक मैटर बने सो है वो किससे बने सो रहता है? तो एक वेरी वेरी स्मॉल पार्टिकल्स एटम से बने सो रहता है, और एक हायर एटम्स क्या होता है? बहुत ही हार्ड रहता है, सॉलिड रहता है, और वो क्या होता है? इंडिविजिबल रहता है. राइट डाउन. डॉल्टन्स प्रपोज्ड दैट Dalton's proposed that matter is made up of very small particles. Very small particles. These small particles are called atoms. And atom is a hard and solid ball. Atom is a hard and solid ball. Being the smallest unit of matter, being the smallest unit of matter, it is indivisible. Being the smallest unit of matter, it is indivisible. Next question उन्होंने पूछा है, how are the compounds formed? Or the compounds are formed? Next question. So how are the compounds formed? Now see, the compounds are formed by a chemical reaction of a different element. When different elements are combined to each other and to produce the new one compound is called as the compounds. The compounds are formed by the chemical reactions of different elements. When different elements are chemically combined to each other to produce the one compound. जब अलग अलग एलिमेंट्स एक साथ केमिकली क्या होते हैं? कंबाइन हो जाते हैं. कंबाइन होने के बाद उनमें से क्या होते हैं? कंपाउंड क्या है? रेडी हो जाता है. नेक्स्ट स्टार्ट ऑन. द कंपाउंड्स आर फॉर्म्ड by a chemical reaction by a chemical reaction of different elements. Now see, the compounds are formed by a chemical reaction of different elements. All different elements are chemically combined to each other to form the one compound. Now see, what are the molecular formula of salt, slacked lime, water, lime and the limestone? Next question हमें पूछा है, what are the molecular formula of, क्या ये रिकॉल में क्वेश्चन हमें पूछा है। अभी अपना हमने सिलेबस स्टार्ट नहीं किया है, जो हम क्वेश्चन देख रहे हैं वो कैन यू रिकॉल। नाउ सी, व्हाट आर द मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला what are the molecular formula of salt, slacked lime, water, lime, limestone and limestone. So what are the molecular formula of the given compound? खाली नीचे हम देखो compounds है, तो उनके molecular formula क्या करेंगे इसके बारे में हमें देख लेना है। Now see, first one is a salt. The molecular formula for salt is NaCl. जो इसका फॉर्मूला क्या रहेगा वो NaCl. Number 2, slacked lime. The molecular formula for slacked lime is COH. Number 3, water, H2O. Number 4, lime, CaOH2. Number 5, limestone. Number 5 is a limestone, CaCO3. Understand? So these are the chemical formula of a salt, slacked lime, water, limestone. Understand? Now let's start our chapter. अब हम अपने चैप्टर की तरफ जाते हैं। The name of the chapter is a measurement of matter. हमारे चैप्टर का नाम क्या हो तो measurement of matter है। So before starting chapter, know that what is the meaning of a matter. What is mean by matter? मैटर क्या है ये हमें देख लेना बहुत जरूरी है। चैप्टर स्टार्ट करने से पहले हमें ये देख लेना जरूरी है व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ अ मैटर। सो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ अ मैटर, ये हमें जान लेना बहुत जरूरी है। व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ मैटर। Now see, first one, what is meant by matter? Let's start our syllabus. What is meant by matter? Matter का meaning क्या है? Now see, anything that has mass and volume. Anything that has mass and volume is called as a matter. Take a simple example of car. The car would be said to be made of a mass and the volume. Yeah, of a matter. हमारी जो कार है किसी बने से होते हैं मैटर से बनी से इस इट हैज हैड मास एंड द वैल्यू। इसके पास भी क्या रहता है मास और क्या है वैल्यू। एनीथिंग anything that has that has mass and volume occupies space. Now take one example. A car would be said a car would be said to be made of matter, as it has mass and value, occupies space. A car would be said to be made of a matter as it has mass and volume, occupies the space. So anything that has mass and volume is called as the matter. Understand? Anything that has mass and volume, तो हर एक चीज को क्या रहता है, मास और क्या बोलो तो वॉल्यूम रहता है, occupies the space. Example is a car. The car would be said to be made of matter as it has mass and the value. Now see, the first one concept is law of chemical combination. The first हमारा concept रहेगा law of chemical combination. Laws of chemical combination. Laws of chemical combinations. Laws of chemical combinations. A combination. Now see. The composition of a substance changes during a chemical change. Now see. During a chemical change, the composition of a substance changes. तो केमिकल चेंज होते समय सब्सटेंस का क्या हो तो कंपोजिशन क्या है चेंज होते रहता है. The fundamental experiments in this regard were performed by the scientists in 18th and the 19th century. Now see, this one is a fundamental experiment is done performed by the scientists in a 18th and 19th century में. ये जो फंडामेंटल एक्सपेरिमेंट कब हुआ था बोलो तो 18वीं शताब्दी और 19वीं शताब्दी में ये क्या है हुआ था. While doing this, they measured accurately the substance used and formed. The scientists Dalton, Thomson, and Rutherford studied the structure of a substance and the atom and thus discovered the law of chemical combination. Now see, the different kinds of scientists are studied on this law of chemical combination. The scientists Dalton, Thomson, and the Rutherford studied the structure of substances and the atom and thus discovered the law of chemical combination. So after the study of structure of substances and the atom, thus discovered the law of chemical combination. So जो law of chemical combination discover हुआ है after the study of structure of a substance and the atom. एक सब्सटेंस का जो स्ट्रक्चर है और उसमें किस प्रकार के एटम रहते हैं इसके बारे में डिस्कशन करने के बाद ही लॉ ऑफ केमिकल कॉम्बिनेशन चालू तो डिस्कवर हुए. सो साइंटिस्ट कुड then write the molecular formula of various compounds on the basis of Dalton's atomic theory. Now see, all the scientists write the molecular formula of the various compounds on the basis of Dalton's theory. Listen, डाल्टन्स थ्योरी के अनुसार ही अलग अलग साइंटिस्ट ने क्या बोलो तो हर एक कंपाउंड का क्या है मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला क्या है लिखे सो है. Dalton's atomic theory and the laws of chemical combination. Now see, according to the laws of chemical combination and the Dalton's theory, Here we shall verify the laws of chemical combination by means of known as the molecular formula. यहाँ पर क्या आपको इस तरह से क्या है जो केमिकल कॉम्बिनेशन लॉ ऑफ केमिकल कॉम्बिनेशन है कब डिस्कवर हुआ वो तो आफ्टर द डिटेल स्टडी ऑफ अ स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ substances and the atoms according to the Dalton's theory and the law of a chemical combination. Listen. Now see, the next one law is law of conservation of matter. Now see, law of conservation of matter. Law of conservation of law of conservation of matter. Laws of conservation of matter. Now see. Now see, so what is the law of laws of chemical combination के बाद हम डिस्कशन कर लेंगे. The mass of the original matter and the mass of the matter newly formed as a result of the chemical change are equal. Now see, the mass of the original matter and the mass of the newly formed as a result of the chemical change are equal. जो पहले मास था केमिकल रिएक्शन होने के बाद जो एक नया मास आया है उनमें जो केमिकल चेंज है वो क्या बोलो तो इक्वल है. उसको हमें कहना है लॉस ऑफ केमिकल कॉम्बिनेशन. नाउ सी लॉस ऑफ केमिकल कॉम्बिनेशन. फर्स्ट लिखते हैं लॉस ऑफ केमिकल कॉम्बिनेशन. laws of chemical combination. State the laws of chemical combination. Now see, the mass of the original matter. State the laws of chemical combination. The mass of the original matter. The mass of the original matter and the mass of the matter newly formed as a result of the chemical change are equal. Now see, the mass of the original matter, इसका mass original matter का mass and the mass of the matter newly formed as a result of the chemical change are equal. Listen. Now see, the next one law is a law of conservation of matter. अब हम नेक्स्ट लॉ के बारे में डिस्कशन कर लेते हैं. लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मैटर. लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मैटर. Law of conservation of matter. Now see, in 1785, the French scientist Antoine Lecoultre informed from his research that there is no rise or drop in the weight of the matter during the chemical reaction. During the chemical reaction, there is no rise and drop the weight of the matter. Chemical reaction होते समय matter का weight कम भी नहीं होता है और ज़्यादा भी नहीं होता है. In a chemical reaction, the total weight of the reactant is same as the total weight of the product formed during the chemical reaction, and this is called the law of conservation of a matter. Now see, according to the scientist Antoine Lecoultre, there is no rise or drop of the weight of the matter during the chemical reaction, In chemical reaction, the total weight of a reactant is same as the total weight of a product is formed after the chemical reaction, and this is called as the law of conservation of a matter. Okay, we stop here. We continue on the next session.